everybody, Fiona here with my wonderful brother-in-law, chef from Il Forno restaurant, Naz Cuglieri.
Buonasera.
So today we are going to do a couple of varieties of a zucchini fritter because I don't know about you, but our garden is bursting with zucchini. So I asked Naz if he could show us some ways of using all the fresh zucchini. And we also have a white zucchini. What are we going to do with the white zucchini, Naz?
We're going to make a giardiniera, so pickled.
Right. Today we're going to show you 3 varieties of zucchini fritters. The first ones are plain, the second ones have anchovies, and the third variety will have some chilies. Okay. So Naz is going to start off with showing us how to pickle this white zucchini. Stay tuned.
So in here, I have some carrots that I've cut. So they're probably about 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres in thickness. Green tomatoes, which are really plentiful. So make sure that they're nice and green, okay? You don't want a lot of seed in them. Nice and green and firm. And I also have some green banana peppers there that I've just basically cut in half, de-seeded and sliced. Again, if you're going to pickle vegetables, you need to make sure that they're nice and firm, okay? We're going to cut it in half. It's really simple, just lengthways. Now I do have to add that this is a 2-day process. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to show you the pickling process. They need to stay under vinegar and salt for 24 hours. So as you can, and when these are pickled, these are beautiful in just on an antipasto plate, or even in a, just on their own, with some fresh bread, superb cheese, salami on the side. Now you'll see at the bottom end, that's where the seed is. That needs to come out. So you just get a spoon and scoop it out. Not too small, okay? Because, like I said, the vinegar will soften these vegetables. To this, I'm going to be liberal with the salt. You're just going to wash these vegetables with the vinegar. Don't drown them. Mix it really well. You need to set it aside. Leave it for 24 hours, but after 12 hours, give it a stir. So you stir it once, okay? So get all that vinegar and salt right through the vegetables. After 24 hours, you need to squeeze it. Squeeze all the vinegar out of it. And then we put them in jars, tightly pack them in jars, and we top it with olive oil. Done. So now we're going to make the zucchini fritters or frittelle. Okay? Fritters or frittelle. I'm going to make 3 versions. Like I said before, the chili, one with anchovies, and one just plain. Simple. Really simple. We have the zucchini, the grated zucchini. We're going to put almost equal amount of flour to zucchini. Some salt. Water. You're going to make a very thick batter. Let's mix it in. That is your plain zucchini fritters. Okay, so then we're going to split this. We're going to make some with chili. We won't make too many because not too many people like chili. And then we're going to make some with anchovies. So we'll do one with chili. Not too much chili. Well, it's subject to how hot you want it, okay? Mix it in. Now these are snacks, just remember that, okay? So you can have them, with your main meal as snacks, and make the anchovy one. Just get some anchovies. And again, not too many. Mix it in. Get that nice sizzle, that's when you know your oil's ready. So you can see that the frittelle are browning on the side. Just check them underneath. Yeah, ready to turn over. Look at that. Yum. And that is it. Really simple, beautiful snack to have either with your meal or at lunchtime, or if you're feeling peckish and you've got ample zucchini in the garden.